Solve using the method of your choice. P squared minus 2p minus 1 equals 0. The left side of this equation cannot be factored easily, and therefore let's either use the quadratic formula or completing the square. We'll use the quadratic formula. Recall that that is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, where this gives the solution x for the equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Here, a equals 1, b is negative 2, and c is negative 1. So we have p equals negative of negative 2 plus or minus the square root of negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 1, all over 2 times 1. Simplifying, we have p is equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 plus 4 all over 2. Adding inside the radical, we have p equals 2 plus or minus the square root of 8 all over 2. We can rewrite the square root of 8 by factoring out the perfect square factor of 4. We have p equals 2 plus or minus 2 times the square root of 2 all over 2. Notice that we can factor out a common factor of 2 in the numerator and then divide out that common factor, which results in 1 plus or minus the square root of 2. This gives us the solution set of the set containing 1 plus or minus the square root of 2. We can also write this by listing out each expression separately. We have the set containing 1 minus the square root of 2 and 1 plus the square root of 2. We can verify that each of these is a solution by substituting it in for p in the original equation and verifying that it does satisfy the original equation.